Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Phomemo D30 label printer. So it comes with instruction manuals. You do have a micro USB-C cable. That's what you're going to do to charge it. This has a battery in it. So you do have to charge it with micro USB. You're going to need to have a wall charger, but it does come with the cable. All right, so let's take this plastic off. Here's everything that comes. We've got an instruction manual, and here's the actual printer. Okay, so over here on the side, this is how you're going to open it up. That's the power button right there. So there's the actual printer label. So we've got to take this off, and that's how we're going to feed it. So take this label off, but leave the labels on the thing. Okay, now so here we have the first label. See how it's coming off the top like this? You're going to put the roll in there like that, and then you're going to feed it. Yeah, it's already getting a mess. So kind of pull it tight. Make sure it's still wrapped around. And then just feed it through this little printer right here, this little head. Right there is where you're going to feed it through. So you can pull it through a little bit. And then snap this close. Okay, there's a little bit sticking out. Now press the power button once. You got a long press. Yeah, press it long. There is a green light, so you have to press it on for about 3 seconds. That did move a little bit. Okay, so now we press it once. There. It calibrates, it determines the position. Okay, the app you're going to need is the Print Master. Okay, so I've got the green light, it's on. I did charge it up earlier. Let's hit Auto Connect. It says it's searching. It says it was found. Okay, so it connected automatically, and then it started printing something, or it moved the label thing. So let's start typing. Okay, so that high was still there. Back to home page.